Hey guys, today I will be teaching you how to make a score counter. This exact score counter that you see right here. I'll teach you how to display a variable through a sprite, alright? And secondly, I will teach you how to then, to use a display in order to uh, make sentences, alright? Like this one red dude, right? Say I have 0, right? Over here, there are 0 red dudes, 1 red dude, 2 red dudes, 3 red dudes. So we got a very versatile project coming up. Let's get right to it. Alright, so now we're in the editor. Let's get right into it. So far right now I have sprite 1 with the variables that are collected, right? And when I click it, I want change by 1 and broadcast message 1. You can do whatever variable you want and you can broadcast whatever you want and you can change the variable as you want. It doesn't matter really, as long as you have a broadcasting that there's a change occurred so that we can reduce lag. Now I have this smooth sentence thing, where basically I already coded this, so just for time purposes. So when we reset, we want adapt, and when we receive message 1, we want adapt, right? And this adapt, right? I want you to look at this code and try to understand it. So if our collected is greater than 99, then we're to costume 4, which has enough space for 3 digits, right? If it's not, then if it's greater than 9, then we're gonna have enough for 2, right? If it's not greater than 9, then if it's greater than 1, alright, then we're gonna have enough space for 1, so that 2 to 9 area. And if it equals 1, right, if it's not greater, but if it equals 1, then we have one where there is no S, alright, there's no S, so that we can, make it good. And otherwise it's 0 or it is within that 2 to 9 range, which will be over here. So I want you to go ahead and do this code. No roll after refresh, alright? It's normal, but like this, alright? And when we do change our variable, we would like to adapt so that we could refresh as much as possible. And now in our counter here, we have from 0 to 9 all the digits. Each costume is labeled exactly as it is inside the costume. You can use whatever numbers you would like, or even letters, right? Just make sure to have one spray or one costume to space, alright? And yeah, let's get into this. So, what we want to do, right? This is actually quite easy. When green flag clicked, and we're gonna see message 1, basically the update message. Then we want to switch our costume, right? We're basically switching costumes constantly, right? And this way you don't need a forever loop. It's just much easier. If you also have a reset, we want to do that. Go to the operators, letter 1, because this is counter 1, so letter 1 of our variable that we want to display. So let's do that. And don't forget to use that same variable inside this adapt code. So now this is actually mainly done. That's quite fast, right? So we have 0 red dudes, 1 red dude, 2 red dudes. Alright, though you might want to click twice. You have to tell them to click twice, as it's not as efficient. In my first try, I actually had made you click it 3 times or 4 times even, right? Due to the fact that I was positioning these based off code, but in the end it's much easier, much cleaner to do these based off of variable number. So yeah, and if you would like to add more, right, you can always duplicate this, right? Switch it to letter 2. Make the Y the exact same. Alright. Make it a good x coordinate. And then we also want to add a little extra code so we want to get out an if-else statement, and if whatever our thing is, or whatever our variable is less than, less than 9. If it's less than 9, then we want to hide. Otherwise, we do want to show. Right? Wait, sorry, less than 10. And we're going to duplicate this. So say we have another one, right? We can just say we duplicate this again. Then we have 3, 3, 100, 100. You can keep on doing like that. This is mainly for numbers. I don't recommend doing this much for letters. But yeah. Let's go ahead, do the quick test run. Okay, look at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at that. So smooth, so perfect, alright? So yeah, you can go ahead and make it your own, and I'll see you next time. Yeah, I understand this is a quite short video for what you guys are used to, but that's all it is for this time. I might make a version 2 in the future, but yeah, that's it. Bye.